Naku, matagal na trabaho yan. That took a long time. Since I came into office, what we were working on was tanggalin na siya sa death row. Unang-una, to commute her sentence to life. Nung nangyari yun, when we were able to achieve that, we continued to work with them. It was still with the Widodo government at the time, na kung paano, how we will do it para pauwiin. Mabuti na lang that our relations with Indonesia, our relations with then President Widodo and all of these people, together with our relations now with the new President, President Prabowo, dahil maganda naman ang ating relasyon, nakahanap sila, gumawa sila ng paraan. This is the first time they did this. Gumawa sila ng paraan para, sabi nila, wala naman silang interest na ikulong, wala naman silang interest na execute ang si Mary Jane Veloso. Ngunit, kaya naman, sabi nila, hanap na lang tayo ng paraan. And they did it for us. Kaya malaki dapat ang pasasalamat natin sa Indonesia, malaki dapat ang pasasalamat natin sa yung last president at yung present president, President Widodo, President Prabowo ngayon. Dahil kung hindi sa kanilang pagsang-ayon ay hindi natin nagawa ito. But as I said, we have been working on this for all the previous president, hindi lang ako. 10 years na ito. 10 years na ito. Pero ang nagawa natin, napakommute natin ang sentensya niya from death sentence to life imprisonment. Tapos ang nasunod doon ay napauwi na natin. We will have to decide what will happen next.